I'm at a Chevy dealership, y'all. They want to buy my Jeep, man. Let's see what they talking about. What you doing? As soon as I fucking pull out. Oh, he whining. Why he? What's up, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another banger for y'all, man. Shout out to y'all for clicking on this video. Y'all seen the thumbnail, y'all read the title, you know exactly why you're here. Today, I'm seeing how much my Jeep is worth, y'all. I'm going to get it appraised at a couple shops. If you put your car on Kelley Blue Book, a lot of dealerships is gonna call you trying to buy your vehicle. So I got an appraisal yesterday, so I'm going to these other car dealerships, basically telling them that, yeah, I got another appraisal already. If y'all not trying to basically go higher than that, then ain't no reason for you to, you feel me? Ain't no reason for us to do business. So I'm about to just check these couple dealerships out. Well, check this one dealership for sure out to see how much they're gonna give me for my Jeep. So before I get into this video, go down, get this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time that I post, and let's go. They be staring like a motherfucker. But you see, I got Cuzzo with me in the Durango. About to get that car wash. They over here looking. Going through the wash, man. Know I gotta have it all cleaned up before I had him try to give me a price for this thing, man. Love getting reactions. As y'all can tell, when me getting my car appraised, that obviously means that my car is for sale. So like, if anybody want to shoot me an offer, listen, I'm all for it. So y'all hit me up if y'all wanna buy this Jeep, man. It's here for y'all. It's for sale, y'all. It's here for sale. Make that light, chop. Make that light. Damn, Gengi. So they make the light. He make the light. This motherfucker's sweet. What up, bro? What up, bro? Alright, bro. That shit fire. FK7 Dom. Follow my boy. I'm recording right now. I'm about to go to Denoyer, get my shit appraised.
Oh, okay.
So, pulling into this shit, you see this. Damn, that motherfucker mean, bro. Oh, shit. About to pull my shit up over here. I'm at a Chevy dealership, y'all. They wanna buy my Jeep, man. Let's see what they talking about. I took the garbage out. Chabdula out here. Big SRT ting. I already know, man. Yo, that dude that was in that blue, what's her name? I follow him on IG. Yeah, facts. Yeah, she was tough.
Okay, let me get someone for you.
Few moments later.
Yo, so why they got a TRX here? I said, why they got a TRX here? Thank you, appreciate it.
They feel you was in the areas.
They playing, bro. Imagine the TRD shit.
TRD.
Nah, I'll be dumb tight. If it's not a level 2 though, I don't think I'm gonna grab it. I said if it's not a level 2, I don't think I'm gonna grab it. How they got a TRX here? I didn't even see that shit. Been looking online, all types of shit. Yo, so they got a TRX here. Like, I came here to cash my car out, and they got a TRX. If it's not a level 2, I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but he about to bring it up now, so we about to check it out. They said they got a TRX right here for 87. What y'all think? We about to look at that burgundy one outside after. What y'all think though? 87. You feel me? He said it's not here right now. It's getting service done. They just picked it up like 3 days ago, and it's at the garage now. Basically, I won't be able to see it till Monday because it's getting an oil change, everything. So, about to see if it's a level 2. I might pull the trigger, y'all. Let's see. So, got an appointment set for Monday to come look at that TRX. Appointment Monday. Shit might be going, y'all. But it's still, he's going to get my final appraisal now for the Jeep. So. Fingers crossed, but if anything, it's gonna be a trade-in. So
Okay. Level 2 dose. Huh? You feel me?
that shit a level 2.
He said, "Hold up, wait a minute."
So I was supposed to get my shit appraised. I ain't even get it appraised because I'm probably about to trade it in. They said it's ineligible because of the wrap, but. Damn. I told him don't put that shit on the site yet. I don't want nobody knowing. Damn. So you ready to get up out of here?
Yeah.
Get a rapper, y'all. Yeah, that shit already click. These workers' cars. Workers got some shit over here.
Fit.
Q50. This right here though. Y'all don't be surprised if one of these come to the channel very soon. Not be surprised. We got an M5. That's another dream coming right there. No lie. They got a that Camaro right there. Let's see. Yeah, I think I saw the, what's the name over here? I got a Vetti C7 white vet. Where the next row? Next row. They got a black one. CT4. Oh yeah, this so deep. Hold on. I gotta stop to see this. It's fire. God damn. This motherfucker mean, bruh. Inside go crazy. Nah, it got a dealer plate on it.
Oh, okay.
This shit fire. They got this mirror over here too, ZL1 thing. A little dirty. This shit brand new though. Still got the plastic on the seats. Red interior. You got burbling over there. Oh, you pulling up here. This shit alright. You just can't see out these motherfuckers. Look how small the windshield is. This shit tough though. Alright, so we about to go get something to eat, man. So it's really crazy, y'all. I literally came here to get an appraisal for my Jeep, and they tell me that they just got a TRX in. It's not even here yet on the lot. It's being serviced, and I got an appointment Monday to just come check it out to see if I could trade it in. So cross your fingers, man. This might be the end of the Jeep era. If I do go through with it, I'll let y'all know that my Jeep is where it's gonna be at, and it's gonna be for sale, y'all. And if y'all don't hurry up, I'm gonna hurry up and buy it back. So y'all better get on it. Here, chop go right here. Yeah, we out. I'm gonna follow you. Alright. That's ZL15. I don't even really like, I ain't gonna say I don't like Camaros. I like Camaros more than Mustangs, but you just can't see out them. And me, I'm claustrophobic, so that's already a small two-door car. Can't see. Going fast, I ain't gonna like it too much. Oh, he wildin'. Why he? That motherfucker just left me. Bet. Let me put my shit in track. As soon as I fucking pull out, let me save myself a ticket. I'm pulling up behind this one. There you go, right there. There you go, right there. Turn this. Damn, that was crazy. Pull out right burning road, right to the cops, man. The fuck, man? happened?
Oh, bro, I'm trying to get a sandwich, bro.
Recording the outro right now. Alright, y'all. That does that for this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Go down, get this video a like, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time we post. They not closed. What time they close? They don't close. Alright, y'all. Peace.